Guys, this is Amy with Crown and Confident 57. I wanted to review this beautiful, magnificent little device today. And this is called the Airversa. Okay, you may have seen some videos on this. This little thing is amazing. I'm going to show you. So you plug it in. Now you'll need to plug it into, of course, a telephone jack thing, adapter. Thank you. I'm going to turn it off so I can show you. Oh, I was trying to turn it off. In fact, I turned it on. Okay. So I'm going to show you because nobody showed me how this thing works. I mean, even on the videos, they didn't show you. Okay, now it's a red light, so it's off, okay? I'm not going to tilt it upside down because it's not good to do that. Underneath here, there's a little hole. You put your finger in that hole underneath it. Hold on, I'm going to try to do it while I'm holding the camera, which is not. Put your finger in that hole underneath. They tell you not to tilt it. And you put your finger in there and you push this up. Okay, now we can sit it down and show you. You push this up to where you can grab it. Okay, you see the two arrows here? Okay. This is your bottle. Okay, it unscrews from this device. You fill it with the oils that it comes with. You fill it with whichever oil you want to. You pour it into this bottle. Okay. Then you put it in. Line the arrows up and push it gently in. And this thing will make your house smell like you just walked into the most beautiful hotel or some fancy place. All right, you're going to push the on button. Okay. Has 3 settings, low, medium, and high. We're going to go with low. Okay. Then it has a timer to how long you want it. 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. We're going to do 6 hours, okay? We're going to keep it on low. So what it does is every once in a while, it shoots out this beautiful scented, whatever one, you can put essential oils in it as well. But it just shoots out this mist. And when I tell you your entire house will smell lush, I'm not kidding. Now, the one I have in here right now, I want to go back to low. Okay. The one I have in there right now, and I'm going to take you over to the oils over here. The one I have in there right now is called the Ritz-Carlton, and it is my favorite. It comes with, when you order it, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles, and I've already used the Ritz-Carlton, mind you. And they're called Hotel. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Hotel is what they're called. So you'll have this bottle, and it is it 110 mil? What is it? Can you read that? Let me read it. 10 milliliters in this bottle, okay? You're going to pour this bottle into the other bottle, okay? You can pour the whole contents in it, and then it's good to go. And that thing will last you quite some time. Now, it comes with something to clean it out too. Let me read you the other scents. So it comes with Ritz-Carlton, which is the very most popular one. This one is called Hilton. This one is called Inspired by W. And this one is called Inspired by Baccarat Rouge. Okay, so that's your oils. I keep my oils over here. Now, let's talk about this as we're looking at it. Ignore the paper towel that I've got there. Let's talk about this little gizmo a minute. It comes from Amazon. The whole kit, I'll have to put a price because I'm not sure, but it costs me almost 30 bucks. It comes with the machine, this plug, and it comes with 4 of the hotel scents. Now, when you have poured that entire bottle in here, I've been using this same bottle in this one now for almost a month. I'm not kidding you. that one bottle. And you saw I had a little tiny bit left, so it's almost due for me to change to a new scent. But that's going to be hard because I love this scent. This is the Ritz-Carlton. Let me tell you, since I got this, I stopped burning candles. This thing is amazing. And again, you just push in the bottom, and it'll push this up, and then you take it out, pour the oil into the oil of your choice. And you can use essential oils. You just don't want to use too thick of oil. So do some little research on it first before you put anything that's not the hotel scents in. And hotel has plenty to choose from. So you can go and try them out. The most popular, I will tell you, the most popular is the Ritz-Carlton. And people come in my house and they just say, it smells so nice in here. There it goes. See, it's going right now. And it'll go on and off, just spray, and it'll cut itself off. It's wonderful. You see that little spritz? That's because it's on low. Now, if I put it on high, it'll put a bigger scent out. But I'm trying to preserve the last bits of the oil that's in it. And so that's why I've done it that way. Your whole house will smell lovely, lush, and it's only, I mean, for something that is a one-time investment of, say, 20 to 30 bucks, or closer to 30 bucks, then you just buy the oils from that point on, whatever's your favorite. And you don't have to buy candles. I mean, it's beautiful. It smells so good. I get lots of compliments. All right, so that is the Airversa from Amazon. I will put the links in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. You need to get you one. Your whole house will be beautiful smelling, and it's just lovely. And if you have pets, you'll never smell them after you get this. And it goes through the entire house. It's great for businesses as well, to use in a business. It's very compact. It's not very big. You just don't, the only thing is you don't want to tilt it over when it's got liquid in it. All right, guys, that concludes my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.